Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new here, hello, my name is Melanie. Thank you for stopping by and watching the video here on my channel. So for today's video, I created this look right here. I used the Deck of Scarlet palette. Hopefully you guys know what a Deck of Scarlet. If you don't, then I hope you guys check it out, and everything you need to know is in the description below. So giving you a little bit of information about Deck of Scarlet, it is a makeup subscription. You pay $29.99 every 2 months and they send out a limited edition palette. You guys, there's so many great things about this subscription. One of them is that they collaborate with makeup creators here on YouTube, so they get to pick out their favorite shades. They can create a palette and then send it out there for us to play with. So you guys, if you are liking what you're seeing and you are liking me so far, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and please do share this video if you like it. So I'm gonna stop talking, let's get to the video. If you want to see how I created this look and you guys want to know more about Deck of Scarlet, then just keep on watching. So this is what the box looks like, and then you open it. It comes with a card. It lets you guys know who they're collaborating this month. So this is what it looks like. I believe this is a glitter liner. It is a pretty big size, you guys. We're gonna get to play with that. This is what the palette looks like inside. So she went with a copper design on this one. The outside packaging is just black. Another thing that I love about Deck of Scarlet is that they separate their powders to their cream, so you don't get all that gunk on your cream. So let's go ahead and look and see what lippies she got for us this month, or this 2 month. So she has Koi and Metal Rose. So you guys, that is a pretty color. I will swatch that later when we get to that part. And now let's go ahead and open this top part right here. Can we talk about that yellow shade, you guys? Wow. Okay, so this one comes with a mirror, so it's really a palette that you can bring with you anywhere, and you have a mirror. So we have this yellow one right here, and we have like a bronzy shade and a black one, and then we have a highlighter right here, and I believe this is a blush. This is the blush colors that I love to use. I don't really like the one that's too pinky. So you guys, I went ahead and swatched them for you. So this is what they look like. You guys, every single one of them swatched it so nicely, except the black one. The black one was a little hard to swatch, but you guys, don't judge it by that, because sometimes black is better when it is not so pigmented, so you can build it up to the intensity you like instead of just slapping it on the lid and it's so pigmented and you can't blend it out. Black is such a hard, scary shadows to work with, me anyways. This is the glitter liner, and these are the two lippies, you guys. Don't this one looks just like the blush? This is like a cream form of this one right here. I think they are very similar in tones. And this one is the highlight, and then you have your shadows up here. I'm definitely gonna go in with the blush for our transition color. So let me clean this up really quick and we'll get started. I only prep and prime the top of my lid just because I'm gonna go in with a cream eyeliner for the entire lid. That's just something that I prefer to do, but you guys can just use that black and just build it up to the intensity you like. We got our tape ready. We're good to go. So we are gonna go in with Moonstone, which is the blush. We're gonna use that for our crease.
Why do I have a purple shade on my lid, you guys? You guys didn't tell me what.
Wow, this is such a pigmented blush. It's definitely pretty on the crease too. Before I go into the cream liner all over the lid, I want to go ahead and take the black one and really start that on the crease first, and then we'll add the cream after that. So I'm gonna take a smaller brush so we can contain that shade. So you don't have to be like neat with this, just because we know that this is gonna be blended more, but I just wanna get my crease ready. So I'm just going to go back and forth with my two shades, the blush shade and the black shade, because I really want that to really really blend and marry each other. I think that's as good as I can blend that. It's not perfect, but I think it is well blended. So now let's go ahead and go to our cream product. So this is from L'Oreal. So this is Black is Black. Ooh, okay. Before it dries, I'm going back to Onyx. Let's just blend the edges before it dries. I'm gonna go ahead and set the lid as well with the black shade before it creases on me. Just blend till your hands falls off. So you guys, I went ahead and did my foundation. I mixed my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte with my BB Plus from Gerard Cosmetics. This is in Grace. You guys, Gerard Cosmetics is having a huge Black Friday sale. More info in the description below. Jennifer Gerard is such an amazing soul, you guys. She supports us small creators. Let's give back and support her. So check that out. I use my favorite bronzer to bronze our skin, and my concealer, you guys, favorite concealer right here. And then I set it with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. That's all I have on the face. I went ahead and aligned my waterline as well with the L'Oreal Black Liner that we used earlier. So we're gonna go back to the palette and take the black and just set our waterline with that. And then we're gonna take that blush. And we're just gonna apply that right here, so it ties in with our top crease. So I went ahead and applied some mascara and also my falsies. I used my Acerado lashes. This is in Goddess. You guys, I reviewed these lashes. Check it out. And also there's discount code if you want to buy these lashes. I don't think with eyes like this, I mean, you can barely see the lashes, but the Goddess lashes, it's so freaking huge and glamorous. I think it just adds that much to the look. I'm gonna take this vibrant yellow right here, and we're gonna put that on our inner tear duct. I think you guys seen that coming for sure. So let's go ahead and take the blush. This is Moonstone. And now we're going to go ahead and highlight with the Bad Behavior. It's a very, very subtle highlight. Sure, we can build this up to our liking. Oh, there she is. So let's go ahead and finish up this look with these two lippies right here. So we're going to go with Hazel Rose first, and then we're going to put this and just let's see what we can come up with. One thing that I don't like about this palette is the lippies. I wish they would just put it on the tube. It would be so much easier to apply. I really don't care for it like this, you know? So you guys, this is what Metal Rose looks like on me. Definitely not the color that I would pick with this eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and take Koi, which is the more nude one. So you guys, this is what Koi looks like on me. It's still too shiny for me. I want it to be matte. So I'm going to take the blush that we use, which is Moonstone, and I'm just going to mattify my lips with that blush. So you guys, I like this lip better. So that's a little trick that I like to do when I have like a lip gloss that I like the tone, but I don't like the glossiness of it. You just apply about the same tone of shadows and you should mattify it and you'll get that tone that you like. So that's what I did with this. So one more thing that I want to do. So I'm going to take that yellow and we're going to put that in the middle of our lips. So you guys, to finish up the look, I'm going to take my Slay All Day setting spray. This is from Gerard Cosmetics as well. It smells so good. So this is the eye look that I came up with using the deck of Scarlet. Christina, you picked such great shades with your palette. My favorite deck of Scarlet palette for sure. So if you guys haven't seen my last video, you should, because I'm doing a giveaway on that video. So you guys check it out. Thank you for watching, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.